What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video, and Josh is here.
Oh yeah!
And as you've seen from the last video, Josh wrecked his bike, and it's got the handles all loose and the foot pegs all screwed up. And then we got my Blue Beast, my freaking Doodlebug, whatever you want to call it, all sorts of things. I have really not got a name for it. Put it in the comments. You guys actually want to figure that out for me. Maybe we'll find one eventually. I've had the bike for like 4 years and I haven't figured out a name. And yeah, we're both going to be working on our projects today and trying to get them done because we are trying to do a mini bike road trip. So yeah, and he's got a bunch of other upgrade parts coming from Go Power Sports. Thank you.
Oh yeah!
And Black Friday, freaking hooking us up with good deals. So I'm going to try to get my front end done and then maybe look at my gas tank, how I want to do that. But I'm going to start with the front end. Work what I'm going to do. This might be a video of tonight and tomorrow because I'm definitely going to be working on my bike tomorrow. I don't know. Josh is probably going to be pretty busy tomorrow. But yeah, I'm going to try to get my bike a roller this weekend. So let's jump into the time lapse. Oh, and Josh brought me a little present. I mean, kind of. I ordered this for Black Friday earlier this month, and it still hasn't shown up yet. It's been like 3 weeks. It's on back order, though. And Elizabeth's going to come out and say hi. But he brought me that over here, and then I'll just give him mine when I get mine, so then he can have a brand new one in the box still. He just has an extra one, just because, you know, I gotta always have extra tools. But yeah, let's jump right into the time lapse.
Perfect!
Alright, guys, so it is the next day. Josh pretty much finished his bike, what he was going to do. He got some gussets on his bike, make sure his engine plate's nice and strong. Re-welded on the foot pegs a little higher, so should be able to be a little more comfortable, get a little more clearance as well. We're gonna put a couple more gussets on. He's gonna take it to school and cut this one gusset down on the engine plate. Let me get you a better view. He's going to cut this one gusset right there on the engine plate in half so it's nice and smooth and it'll look clean. And then he's going to take that other half of the gusset and put it on the back side of the engine. That'll really beef up the engine plate. And then he's got some more mods coming next week from Go Power Sports, so he's going to be able to get those installed. And then on my bike, I got the center hole drilled out on this one, and then I've been just grinding it smooth. I'm going to keep going on it. I think what we're going to do for the most part is I'm just going to run the stock angle right here. If I don't like it, I can always cut the back end of the axle off and lift the back end up. If I lift the back end up more, it'll change the steering down. Yeah, that's the plan for now, and we'll see how it goes. If I don't like how it steers, I can always rebuild it. You know, I want to get the frame dialed before I get the engine start making a ton of power. I mean, right now I'm only at stage 1. I still even have the governor. I still have I have a torque converter, which helps a ton. It really wakes this thing up. And yes, we still have the street tire on it. We're gonna get it street tuned, and then we'll go off-roading with it and see how it does. So yeah, I'm gonna jump back into the time lapse. Alright guys, so as you can tell, it's starting to get dark, and so the handlebars that I was going to use for this right here, these are 1-inch diameters, so I'm gonna I'd have to change up absolutely everything. I'd have to change up my hydraulic master cylinder. I'd have to change up my throttle, my twist throttle up to a 1-inch one, and that'd be kind of hard to find, and I don't really want to completely change everything, and it'd be harder to find 1-inch clamps to put on those parts. So I'm gonna end the video here. I know it's a really bad spot to end, but I'm trying right now to find those parts. If I can't find them within a few days, I'm going to order them from Go Power Sports. They will definitely have them. It's just a little more pricey than I was wanting. I was trying to keep this again on the budget, so we'll definitely have to do that. I'm probably going to be ordering clamps for them anyways. So yeah, in the next video, we were going to of the mini bike, we're going to have this a roller. We're going to we're at a minimum get the front end done, and then maybe in that next video we'll get the gas tank and stuff. We're going to be getting more videos on this. I really want to get this. We're trying to do a road trip with mini bikes here soon. Would like just kind of like what Go Power like Cars and Cameras did. So yeah, stay tuned for that. We got the boys gonna go for it. We actually have another guy that might come in and join us as well. So now I gotta clean up this huge mess, but no point in having you guys watch that. So like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing of my channel, go out and go find your passions.